good. Alright, we're gonna open it up. Right. Alright, let's see what we get.
There's tape on it, twin. Just rip it. Just rip it.
How embarrassing. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Yo, are those Senkos?
So we got a 1,000 fish cycle bait underspin. Ain't that cool?
That's actually really cool.
We got a Hyper Plastics Creations Nurseman Pro.
Yo.
We got some wacky worms. Premium wacky worms. And then we got some Pro Series certified bug juice. Big bites. Stuff you put on like coats and whatnot. We got some papers and whatnot.
And some hooks.
Premium hooks. For bass.
Huge hooks.
Got a sticker deal.
Is that all?
Yep.